Good day everyone, in this video I will show you how to adjust the time and date for this watch Casio F201W. And to do that, you need to be first at the timekeeping mode. And then before we do the adjustment, you can also select the format. So it's going to be 12 hours format or 24 hours by pressing this one, the start stop button at the right bottom. Okay, here we are, 14 or 2 p.m. I will return again to this one, the 24 hours format. Okay, and then to adjust the time, you can press and hold the adjust button on the top left, this one. And here we can see that the second is blinking. So for this one, we can adjust the second to become 0 by pressing the start stop button. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. But if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. So for example, this one, I will press start stop and it will become 0 without additional minute. Okay, to cycle to the next item, we can press the mode button at the bottom left and it will move to the hour. We can change the hour by pressing the start stop button. It will add one number each time we press the start stop button. Okay, the next one, we can press the mode button to move to the minute. And again, we can push the start stop button to increase the number or the value. Okay, again press the mode button. Now we are moving to the year 2022. We can press the start stop button to increase the value and it will cycle back after 2099 to the year 2000. But I will not do that here. Okay, and then next one, we press again the mode button. It will move to this one, the month. This one is November, so we can press the start stop button to increase the value like this. Okay, I will press again up to 11 again in November. Okay, so now I press again the mode button to move to the date. Then we can use this start stop button to change the value or increase the number like this. And yeah, that's it. We can press again the mode button to move to the next item, and that is going to be the second. So it cycle back to the second. And we can exit from this adjust mode by pressing this one, the adjust button on the top left. And done. And for the day, it will be automatic based on the date that we set up earlier. So you don't need to set the day, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. It will be calculated by the watch. And then next, we can also set the dual time for this watch. So to do that, we can move from this timekeeping mode to the dual time mode. This one, DT, dual time. And then to adjust the time on this dual time mode, we can press and hold the adjust button on the top left. And now the hour is blinking. We can change by pressing the start stop button here. So for example, this one. Okay, and then press the mode button here on the bottom left to move to the next item, the minute. And then we can press the start stop button to increase the value. Okay, and then if we press again the mode button, it will return to the hour. So we cannot change the second. The second will be the same as the one in the timekeeping mode. Okay, to exit this adjust mode for the dual time, we can press the adjust button on the top left, and that's it. So we can return now to the timekeeping mode by pressing the mode button on the bottom left. And done. Okay, that's all for how to adjust the time and date for this watch Casio F201W. Hopefully this is useful. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.